Hi everyone, and welcome to week 7 of ECED 201. Another great week coming up. We'll go over it. This is just a brief guidance to get you on your way. I have not received yet, just some housekeeping first, I have not received everybody's second critical reflection. Please be sure to get that in as soon as possible, as we will start to take some points, or at least parts of points, because it's a small points overall, but we'll start to take points for late, unless you let me know kind of what's up. So please either be in touch with me or go ahead and get that in. Anyway, this week, week 7, we're looking at multiculturalism. We're looking at anti-bias curriculum. So it's a very exciting, again, I know I said that every week, but I think so, every week. It's a very exciting and very important maybe change in perspective for some of you, but an expansion of perspective maybe for some of you, or for some of you it may be able to give you more tools to be able to use in your work as a early childhood educator. I think to me one thing that was most fascinating was the PELO, or PALO, I haven't actually met the person to know how to say it, but anyway, PELO or PALO text, with the developmental kind of milestones of gender identity and the understanding of differences, racial, cultural, and physical differences. Didn't know that they had it so carefully outlined, and that it started at such a young age. So again, the work you do is so important. So take a look, enjoy, please contact me with any questions. Here's a quick look at the folder for week 7, our focus and outline, your to-do list, which is also listed here if you want to print it out and actually check things off. Our readings, chapter 15 from Morrison, part 1.1 and 1.2, so basically pages 3 to 12 of the PALO text. Here's the content, just a short PowerPoint that kind of outlines some of the vocabulary that is there. And then here is your assignment for this week. This week, you will start your big early childhood exploration project with the development of your early childhood philosophy. You'll find this, here are the directions for it, but you'll find it over here in the assignments to upload it and further directions under assignments. Let's go ahead and get that in. You're going to go into the early childhood exploration project. And then here is this part of this exploration project, which is developing an early childhood philosophy. You'll be using the materials of maybe a lot of it that we have covered so far. And you're going to be writing about what you think, what is your philosophy about early childhood. And you can, please, hopefully you'll be informed by the reading and the learning that you've done so far in the semester. This is an important part, as we looked in the PALO text, I'm looking for it here, that, was it in this one? Or no, maybe it was in the Morrison. Honestly, I don't remember. I think it was actually in the Morrison text, where they talk about the importance of reflection. And your reflection on your own thoughts and your own beliefs and your own values. And this is kind of often overlooked because we're so busy as educators that we don't take the time to look inward so that we are more effective at reaching outward. So this is an exercise in developing your own understanding, reflecting and articulating your own philosophy and thoughts about early childhood and early childhood education. So again, I hope that you enjoy, and please reach out with any questions or concerns or problems that you're having. Take good care. Bye-bye.